Welcome home to 682 at Canopy Estates in Winter Garden, Florida. Today, I have the privilege to showcase my latest listing. This home is absolutely gorgeous. It is 4 bedrooms with a large office flex space and 4.5 baths at 3,665 square feet. It has everything you would desire in a luxury home. One thing that stands out about this home is this kitchen. It's truly a chef's dream. It has everything you would want, especially with the gas stove, beautiful countertops, and KitchenAid appliances. It's truly decked out for you. Right behind this hidden door is a beautiful pantry that has plenty of room to store all your goods. Here in the master bathroom, you're going to notice there's a double entry, double head shower, and a beautiful soaking bath. This truly is going to be a place that you can have a retreat, relax, and unwind at the end of the day. This backyard space is to die for. It has a gorgeous pool, a hot tub, and plenty of room for you to lounge on the hottest of days. This is going to be a place you're going to enjoy coming home after a hard day's work, jumping in the pool and cooling down. If you could see yourself living in this home, then I encourage you to reach out to me for your own private showing. Give me a call at 407-493-8872 or schedule a showing with real estate agents. But I would look forward to you calling this your future home.